In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start making money with Fiverr without any skills. So what you're gonna need is a computer, the internet, and some free tools that I'm gonna show you in this video. So if you don't have a Fiverr account, it's pretty simple to create an account. What you're gonna do is go to Fiverr, you're gonna sign up and create an account, fill out your information, and you're gonna list your service as the gig that I'm gonna show you in this video. So if we come to fiverr.com and we type in the word slogans, you're gonna see the results show up, and it's gonna show you a bunch of listings with people who are offering slogans for your personal brand or your business. Now this is a gig that you're gonna wanna list as your service. So if we look at the listings that show up, this one is starting at $30, this one's starting at $100, this one's starting at $35, $650, $25, $35, $75, $40. And these are all the base or the basic packages. So if I click on this one is $30 for 5 taglines or slogans for the basic plan. For standard, 60, and premium is 90. So if we scroll down, it's a pretty simple listing that they have, and delivery time for basic is 3 days and 4 days and 4 days. So this is pretty easy to do, and I'm going to show you the free tool that I'm going to be using to create slogans. So this seller right here has 2,131 reviews. So you know they're making a decent amount of money just creating slogans for people. So if we look at another listing, this person is starting at $100 for 10 catchy slogans. So it's basically a flat rate of $100. So they're charging basically $10 for each catchy slogan or tagline. And they have a 3-day turnaround time, unlimited revisions. So if you don't like it the first time, if the customer doesn't like it, they request to change up the slogan, they'll do that for them. Now, when you're getting started on Fiverr, especially if you're brand new, I would recommend lowering your prices just to get people to just order your service, and you can get some customer reviews to basically help you out, your profile. So if you look at what other people are charging, this person is starting at $30 and they have over 1,000 reviews. This one's starting at $100, $35. I would recommend, if you're brand new to Fiverr, charging $5, $10, and $15 for your basic, premium, and standard packages. Now I'm gonna show you how you can come up with slogans for other people, even if you've never done this before. But first, if you're brand new to my channel and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So to come up with slogans, we're gonna come to this website called slogangenerator.org. So it's a pretty simple website. You don't have to sign up for anything. All you have to do is just enter the subject and it's gonna generate a slogan for you. So let's say that somebody is paying you to come up with the slogan for their company named. Let's say they have a company where they're selling, I don't know, ice cream. So you're just gonna type in the search bar right here, ice cream. And it's gonna generate a slogan for you. We make exceptional ice cream, which is a pretty basic slogan. But if you don't like that slogan, you can just click on generate slogan again, and it's gonna keep on generating a new slogan. So let's say that you're charging somebody $5 for 5 slogans. You can just come through and just keep on clicking on the generate slogan button and come up with 5 slogans. We believe in fabulous ice cream. If you don't like that slogan, you can click on it again. No one knows ice cream like us. You can just keep on clicking on this button and just have a list of slogans for this particular subject and just choose the best ones. Now I'm gonna show you a website where you can generate a bunch of slogans all at one time, and you can just choose from the list that it provides you and just pick the best ones. So we're gonna come to this website, oberlo.com, and this is a website known for drop shipping, but they also have a cool feature on their website. So if we scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, we're gonna click on where it says slogan generator, and they also have a business name generator. But let's just focus on slogan generator. So like I mentioned, I use the example ice cream. So I'm gonna just type that in right here, ice cream, and generate slogans. So it generated 1,076 slogans containing the words ice cream. So you can just go through the list and just pick out the ones that stand out the most, the ones that are the most unique, and basically the catchiest slogans. So like this one, ice cream, the best you can get. It's pretty basic. To ice cream or not to ice cream. Now some of these might not make sense, but it's just generating a bunch of random slogans, and you just have to go through and just pick the ones that really stand out. This one right here says ice cream saves your soul. This is a pretty simple one, truly ice cream the problem solver. And this is basically how you can make money on Fiverr without any skills at all. Now, if you're new to making money online or just online side hustles, this is a great way to get started. Now, when you create an account on Fiverr, it does take some time for you to start basically getting orders and building up your profile and getting reviews. So if we look on Fiverr for this particular gig under slogans, they have 2,000 services available. So not all of them are going to be slogan related, but there's a decent amount of competition on Fiverr and basically any type of online side hustle or business that you're looking to get started with. All you have to do is just be consistent and put in the work. And over time, you're going to get orders, you're going to get reviews, and then that's when you can start charging a little bit more. Now, if you want to know an even better way to make money online, then check out the first link in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up so YouTube can help show this video to other people. And if you want to know 5 websites to make money online, then go ahead and check out this video right here. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.